When are you gonna start?
It's recording all the time.
Hi guys! Today we're gonna make jelly. My name's Natalia and this is my big sister Sofia.
I'm 7 years old. She's 4 years old. And we're gonna be making jelly.
And first we're gonna start with the powder.
First,
We're gonna make a microphone.
we took powder out of the box, so we're gonna pour it in the jug. It's pineapple flavored.
Wow! And now we're gonna get some water. Now I'm gonna get some water in.
Boiling water in a medium bowl. I think I need my dad's help to help pour the hot water in.
Can you show me where I have to pour it to? How much do I have to pour?
250 ml here.
I wanna mix it.
Up to here, my finger.
Oh wait, and I'll mix it after you, Sophia, when it's all covered.
Help me mix this up.
Oh, it smells super nice. It smells like pineapple.
Add 200 ml of cold water and stir it. We're pouring the cold water to 500 ml up to here.
Ah!
Yeah, it's up there now.
No, wait.
Mix it again.
I want to mix it. You always. I want to mix it, Sophia.
Hold it and you mix. What does it say next?
What does it smell like?
Pineapple, of course, because it's pineapple flavored.
Wait,
Now we're probably gonna pour the pineapple jelly into the cups. These are my cups, these are her cups. We're gonna try going.
I'll pour mine.
Hope it doesn't spill. Doing this to make it even.
Good.
Perfect.
Now we're gonna put it in the fridge.
We have to wait a few hours before it sets. Now.
4 hours later.
Now we're gonna do the jelly reveal. We're revealing the jelly.
I'm gonna eat all of it.
Me too. If you don't remember, it's pineapple flavored. And it kinda tastes like real pineapple.